How she managed with the Hindi thing, I don't know. She saw
She
somewhere.
mentioned जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
Huh. Today is your birthday, his birthday, and
Baba birthday.
Bua's kid's birthday. Baba Tushar birthday, right? Baba Tushar, happy birthday. Oh my goodness. $5. Okay. Let me get some money. Here you go. Some money for you.
Some more?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. So you can see such a beautiful colorful area now. Why you stuck there, Misha? No, no. Little house for you, right? Okay, show me. Oh my God.
Welcome to our new vlog. Today is Dad's birthday.
Vinoda's birthday, we're going to Candyland.
Yeah.
And we're going to.
This is birthday boy. Yeah, birthday boy.
Happy birthday.
Wish me a happy birthday today.
I give you a corner.
Okay. Happy birthday from me.
From me and myself.
No, it's from Vinod.
Happy birthday and lots of wishes from us to you.
Yeah.
And I hope
Wish it to me.
this YouTube family will also give you lots of blessings, so you will be long life and you will enjoy your day today, I think. So we are going somewhere to eat, some play also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Easy bag.
Right?
Say something.
Yes.
So happy birthday again and again and again.
Thank you again.
Again. We thank you for again.
तो सैनवी और मीशा ने कार्ड बनाया है. What do you wanna? Oh,
Happy
this
bir-
is
happy-
Misha's card.
Happy birthday,
This
Papa.
is happy birthday, Papa.
Vinod.
And, yeah.
Wait,
And-
look at behind it.
and
Look at
open it.
behind it.
Yes, this is behind one. And can you open it? Okay, she is very curious. Okay. Oh my God. From Misha, I love you. 3.
And Vinod is coming this number.
And this is from Sanvi, and she wrote very well. I love you, Dad. You are the best dad in the entire world. I hope you enjoy your birthday. And how she managed with the Hindi thing, I don't know. She saw
She
somewhere.
mentioned जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
Huh. And
42 साल.
she somehow managed to write in Hindi. So,
शुभकामनाएं 42. 42.
So
जन्मदिन का
it's
N
your
और
42
M दोनों
42.
चिपक गया है, but that's okay.
Okay.
Whatever it is, it's okay.
so it's his 42 birthday, so that's why she's and her card is also beautiful, and both Sanvi and Misha both did a good job.
This is cup.
Where are you going today? Candyland. So it's on his birthday. Where are we at? The new place, new playground, like indoor playground. This is actually at Springfield. This is the Candyland. We are going to enter here. So let's go inside. So you can see everybody is checking in, right? Sanvi? Everybody is checking in. It's a beautiful new Candyland. They created new. Yeah, this was like earlier playground, but now they created a new thing here. So the kids who are looking for some new place to visit an indoor playground, this is the new place. You can come in. So we got our brochure, right? And what you got? This is now we can come inside. Sanvi, Mesha, come on, let's go. You wanna put your shoes back? We are here in socks, right? It's such a colorful Candyland
Can I
here.
go?
So we have to change your shoes, right? Sanvi and Misha are ready. keep it in one place. So we are going inside, right? Oh, such a colorful! Wow, it's a Candyland. We're going to such a beautiful Candyland here. Misha. Oh my God, such a beautiful place they created for the kids. It was earlier a different place. Like it was, I think, what was the name for the place earlier?
Candyland.
No, earlier it was like name was different, right?
It was
I think Pump It Up. Oh yeah, Pump It Up.
Pump It Up.
So it was Pump It Up earlier. So this is so cool, and the restrooms and everything so colorful. As you can see, they're here for plays and all. Like you can see, it's such a beautiful. Let me show you that. Oh no problem. You can see, this is the pool area of like. Filling the balls and all, like the kids are playing with the balls, and it is so beautiful area. You can see. We came here just to see like for the first time. So if you're looking for something new place, indoor playground, so you can come over here. So let me see, where are they? Kids, they all lost. When they came in, they lost. Sam, Misha. They are here. Oh my God, they like this. So colorful slides. Misha, you like it?
उधर देखो मीशा, that side. मीशा come here. मीशा.
Oh God, they're liking it. So beautiful place. And yeah, and I will share the link of this place down below, so you can come, right?
Yeah, there's some other area.
Yeah, this is the whole portion. You can like, this is all safe and good for kids. They're liking it, right?
Yeah, that's awesome. We can go to the other side also. Let's see there.
Oh, careful! Yay! Good job! You're doing awesome. Just very slow. easy slide, right? Okay, good job. You did it, Misha. You wanna go there? So you can see such a good thing. Like the kids can play with their parents, and everything is so colorful and soft for kids, so they can enjoy each and every moment. This is the candy house. They can come inside this house and they can play their like small games in there. And everything is so soft. And for every thing is created just for kids according to their likes. And it is a mini kitchen area, I think. So pretty it is created. Everything is so neat and clean. And this is the swing, it's kind of, and this is the ball pit as I showed you earlier. So everything's so colorful, awesome. So my husband is there, so I'm going to go there just to share with you some more moments. You liking it here? You liking here?
Birthday बना सकते हैं.
So we can wear like if it is any planning for our kids' birthday.
But Sandy is not right.
So this is like a ball pit area, so its kids can play and parents can watch them, and a very beautiful place, colorful place for the little kids, for the party area. And also this is a party room, and this is a party room, and you can see this is everything is so colorful here. Also small kids, little kids can play. And I think this is the party room. Okay, this is the party room. Sorry. So you can see this is a. So I think somebody is doing party here, so that's why I cannot go there. So this is all it is. Earlier it was a big jumping area in here, right? but now they have created with this Candyland. So it is good when you are here, but I don't think so
Yeah, Sani won't like it.
because this is I
Small
think
kid. Very small.
but they have written there like the 14-year-old kids also can also play, but still like this is not for like big kids. According to us, like around 10 year maximum, around the maximum or 8, 9 year, 10 year they can come. But
Sani
not
friends
for
won't like it.
and the big kids they will not. But they have created this place for
Sani can, Rishi can
for
come.
big kids though. Yeah. So, but I don't think so. Like the party place is very big. This is very small.
Very small.
है ना?
Even
Like
small
5 or 6 kids can come, and like but they can play. But
not good for
है ना? Not
for Sani, for Misha it's good.
But earlier they were having a good space for the party and all.
Very small, even very. It's upstairs.
I hope you liking our video, and today is your birthday.
Yeah.
So आपको जन्मदिन की फिर से मुबारक।
Look at the screens. Look at the
हाँ तो वही है, अब बर्थडे पे आज आप एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे, बच्चे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
Yeah, it's the same. If kids are enjoying, means we are enjoying.
Misha is there now. Now she's going to come to this spiral. Good job. How was that? How was that? Come here. Now she is the queen here. She can show us, right? Yeah, you can go with her. Now Daddy is going to upstairs. How was that? Oh, good. Try this one. It's a small one. Small car. This is very small for her. So she was when like small kids can play easily. Like it's a very good place for the kids, little kids. Misha, you wanna try this one? Oh my God, it's awesome. You wanna try this one? This is also fun.
Copy.
Okay, show me. Oh my God.
But you come me only.
Yes. Come on. Oh, awesome. Okay. Don't throw on me. Okay, let's go. God.
Come here. Dad, come here.
Where are you going? Oh, there's a small swing in there. Misha, you wanna? Okay. You wanna try the small swing? Oh my goodness! This is a little house for you, right?
Yes. Little hot for me.
Ah, you liking this place?
Oh.
You liking this place?
Yes. Oh.
Good. Yes. Okay, follow you. You just show me where I can go. Oh my God! So many things to do here, right? Oh. So let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, tricks here, tricky area. Good job. You want to try more?
Wait, what is this for?
This is for hanging like you can, hang on it.
Wait, what?
Yes. And you can try this one.
Okay, I cannot test it because
Yeah.
there's a line.
Okay. You go from that side and I will cover you here.
What?
I can see you still. I can see you.
I can't test it.
Found you.
You want to go upstairs?
Yes, you go. I'm just covering you here.
Please, Family,
Okay.
I can't.
Oh, it's very soft and cozy stairs and yeah. So no need to worry to come up here. Like it was very soft place for
I was
kids.
over here. What?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Yeah, this is some place in
That's
there.
a trash can.
Yeah. Yeah. So a little area they created new. Okay, watch out. What is that? Oh, something small thing.
I passed it.
You passed it? This is a small area. Oh god. Little trail, crossing the trail, and this is a zebra. So many more places are there, so you can see. You cannot like done yet. It's too many things to do here. So yes. Okay. Oh wow! What is this? This is a small place up there, and this is the kids can wear their costume kind of things and play some police game. This is jail. Why are you stuck there, Misha? No, you're not stuck there.
This is Candyland police station. Wear cap. Wear it.
I'm standing. Check.
Show me once again. Show me.
Okay, I'm going to eat the soup.
Yeah. Wear it. Jail. Go inside, Joe. Go inside jail. Oh, wow, Misha, yo.
Oh, awesome! You want to try this one, this area, Misha? Yeah. Come this side. Come here. This one. This is some stunt area you can do. So they can be. This is good for the kids' brains. They can work on it and they can play and enjoy this moment. Yes, I can see. It's very awesome. Oh, so good mind skills things they have done here. Move here also. I'm also playing with her. What is this? You can go. Yeah, you go. Go. No, I cannot go. This is not for me. Yes, show me. Woo! This is going on. Ball pit. Hi, Nisha. I can see you. Yes, she's here. There go. Woo! How was that? Button dabana. You have to press this button, so it will work. Yeah, you get the ball first and put it in there and hit this button. Yes. Start now. Yes, go. Put the ball inside and press the button. Oh, good job. You hit one there. Good. Ah, okay. Ooh. Ooh, you can sit. Come on. Hey, Misha, how's that? Yes. How's that? Good? That's the kitchen area.
I'm gonna go there. You're the customer.
This is a customer? I can be a customer. Can you give me the burger? So this is like supermarket and all empty because the kids they throw it all. So she is cooking something here. What are you cooking? This is corn, pumpkin, carrot. You can wash them first. Wash them, wash them.
Station is protect. No, stop.
Sanvi is liking it, but not for like no small kids. That's his faces. So it's
Can you cook something for me, Misha?
No, they just step.
so you can.
Now.
So it's good. Every corner is so beautiful and colorful. For the yeah, soft, easy, soft, cozy
Misha, let's
place.
go. Misha, let's go.
Whoa. You want pepper?
Pepper, you got peppers, corn. She is filling all the things. So such a beautiful place. But I recommend only the little kids here. Yeah, not big kids. Misha is searching something to make like her supermarket shop, right?
Okay, Misha, now you're coming now. I'm going.
Yes, they are making some grocery shopping. They're doing some grocery shopping, and this is Misha's little shop, mini shop. So she got a mini card. You wanna come back here again?
It's good for little kids, not big kids.
So it means no. This is my card. Thank you. Can I choose something? I think this is carrot, pumpkin, and some. This is mooli, radish. So and this is I think strawberry. I can strawberry. So how much is this for? How much?
You gotta get one more. You want this?
Okay. Yes. How much per dollars for this? How much money I have to pay for this all stuff?
$5.
$5. Okay. So let me get some money. Here you go. Some money for you.
Some more?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you for all the stuff. This is my all card. I will make some food for you.
Oh, there's another box right there.
Not working.
You want to come?
Yeah, let's go.
This is a disco night. Disco night now. They have turned into the disco now night. This is all glow in dark, right? Glow in dark. You liking this to be a new party night? This is a party night. So everything is glow in dark. Misha, Sanvi, also like the. I love the light up things over here. Everything is glow up and light like night time. So, Misha, I can see you. What are you doing? Wishing.
कहाँ की बबीता?
No, no, but kids are, both kids are enjoying there. Sanvi, you enjoying here? Yeah. This is a party night now. Oh my goodness. I love the music behind this. Everything is so colorful. Oh God. I think 2 hours play, they can play for 2 hours. The kids can enjoy for 2 hours. After that,
Then go home.
yeah, who go home.
Eat some good food and go home.
Yes, so it was here fun. So if you wanna come, I will share the link down below so you can come with the little kids. So you can enjoy this moment with this if you're living in Philadelphia. It was missing?
Yeah.
Okay, show me how you do it.
Because last
Oh, you're doing like that only? Oh, you did that other one.
Friday.
So I will share with you like the party room also later. So let's see. They will show us or not because there's some parties going on there. So I think 2 rooms which are good. They are good. So you can celebrate with the party. Yeah. Yes. So we are going to exit. Bisha, come on. Let's go. So we are going to exit here, right? Where are you going there? Back. She want to do like this one. Let's go. So this is the party rooms. They are. This is like that. So this is big party room here. So you can celebrate. One room is here and one this room. So just 2 party rooms here. Good space. So let's go from here. It was good fun. We enjoyed. Kids enjoyed.
Yeah, it's having good fun.
So let's leave. I love the colorful things here.
Water.
Yes. Our day in here, and now we are leaving from this Candyland. Misha, why are you crying? You enjoyed it? Misha, how was it Candyland? Tell me. Good? You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Oh, she enjoyed it.
It's just for little.
Huh? Little babies, but not for big kids. So let's go. We'll go somewhere to eat something because it's birthday today. So today is a party day.
Yeah, because it's God's birthday too.
So let's go. So Sunday we are having fun. No, Misha,
I got some.
what do you got? Huh? तुम खुद खा ले हो बर्थडे तो कर लो. You have to do a birthday. Happy birthday. What are you eating? Sanvi, Misha is eating, and Misha is almost done. And
तुमने क्या खाया?
मैंने भी सूप पिया.
Good job.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Let me share.
Let me cut the cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
And not yet, not yet. No, and not yet. Here.
हाँ, cut it. ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करो.
जल्दी से काटो प्लीज, मुझे भूख लग रही है. इतना टाइम लगा रही हो.